Hey guys, welcome back again. This is the step 4 in the entire automation setup series, and in this video I'm going to talk about broadcast. So you can send broadcast to unlimited contacts, groups and its users, and you can also schedule broadcasts. So let's jump right inside our dashboard and see what are the options we have got for broadcast. Alright, so I'm logged into my dashboard, and to create a broadcast, let's go to this broadcast and click on this broadcast icon. To create a new broadcast, you need to click on this new broadcast, or you can also click here to create a broadcast. Okay. And okay, so let's start with here. First thing is give it a name, broadcast name that you can remember, later, because this name is being used inside all of the reporting features. Inside all of the reportings, and at every point where we have mentioned broadcast, this name will reflect there. So make sure you give it a nice name that you can remember. The next option is when to broadcast, and you have a limit of maximum 60 days. So you can schedule broadcasting up to 60 days from now. Okay. Or you can just, when you click on this icon on this input field, you will see a pop-up will appear where you can select your schedule date and time. Okay, so let's say I want to send this in December 25, maybe it's a Christmas wish. Okay, and you have to scroll this to select the time. The time is in 24-hour format. Okay, just remember, you can select time here, just scroll down to the time that you want. Let's say I want to send this message, this broadcast at 12 o'clock at midnight. So I'm going to select it 00, and you can also use 00 here. Okay, so this is the time that I want to send my message and broadcast. Let me give it a nice name like Christmas wish. So the time is perfect for me. This is the time I want to send message. And the next option is WhatsApp number to use. Now this select box holds all the number that you have connected using this connection, that you have, the connection, the step 1 where you have established all of the connections. This selection box will show all the WhatsApp number that you have connected into our system. Just select the number that you want to use to send message, to send this broadcast, and choose the template that you want to use. I have got a bunch of templates. Let's say I want to use this Monday morning. Actually there should be a Christmas wish template. That's okay. But so you see, you can use the template you want to use here. And then comes the real gem, like whom do you want to broadcast? Do you want to broadcast this message inside group, which is WhatsApp group? And if this is your first time, it may take some time to load your WhatsApp group here. Okay, so just wait for a while and make sure that groups are uploaded when you start using this feature. Just give it a few seconds or even a few minutes to load all the groups you have into your account. Okay, and in case you think that there's a problem uploading group, just go ahead and reset your connections. There's an option to actually reset your connection. Actually, you can check your connection status here, and you can also deactivate the connection, and then you can reset the connection. Okay, and there's the last option, which is actually delete. You can simply delete your connection that you have established so far. So you can reset your connection if you think that there's a problem with WhatsApp connecting your account here. It happens most of the time when you go out of your network, and you need WhatsApp always connected to internet to work. By any means, you should have your internet accessible on your mobile, so that WhatsApp is always connected into our system. Okay, so it may take some time to load these groups here. And if you think that your groups are, actually what happens is we cache this data. We make a temporary file and we cache this data into our system, and we load data from cache file here. So if you think that there are some more groups added in your account, and you want to broadcast to those groups and those groups are not listed here, so you can simply click on this reload option and this will refetch all the WhatsApp group you have into your system again, and then they will list it here. Okay, so give it a few minutes to load all of your WhatsApp group. So if you simply want to select this, and yes, of course you can select one group to broadcast or you can select multiple groups to broadcast. So if you want to broadcast to this WhatsApp group, just select the groups that you want to broadcast and then click on create broadcast. And this will create, like if I have selected here 5 different WhatsApp group, this will create 5 different broadcasts into my account. Okay, so that's how you are going to broadcast to WhatsApp group. The next option is broadcasting to WhatsApp group users. So if I want to do that, now what exactly this option does is when you select the groups, this broadcast will be sent to these users of this group. I mean, they will get a personal message from you. The users of these groups will get a personal message from you, and this message will not be broadcasted inside. This message will not broadcast inside group, but this will be sent to those group users individually. I mean, direct one-to-one from your number to their personal WhatsApp number and not inside the group. So you understand this feature, WhatsApp group users, and the process is same. Just simply select the groups whose users should receive your Christmas wish broadcast, and just hit this create broadcast button. The next option is user parent tags. So if you want to broadcast to user parent tags, just select the parent tags, and hit create broadcast. Now all the children of this parent tag and contacts to those children tags will get this broadcast message. So you get the point. The parent tags, you select the parent tag here, and all the children of these tags and all the users of those children tags will get the broadcast message from you on this date from this number. Okay, and then the next option is children tags. So you can simply select the children tags. So select all those children tags that you want to use, that you want to send message to, and click on this broadcast message. Okay, the final and the last one is entire contacts. In that case, all of the contacts that you have uploaded into our system will get this broadcast message. This is simply useful, like in most of these, in India we have festivals going on. So if you simply want to wish Diwali, if you simply want to send Diwali wishes or Holi wishes or New Year wishes, Christmas wishes, so in that case, if you simply select the entire contact and hit create broadcast, and all of those contacts that you have uploaded into the system, whether they are parent tags, children tags, no matter which tags they belong to, all of your contacts will get this broadcast from you. So these are the 5 options whom you can broadcast, and they are fairly simple. Just go ahead and give it a try. Let's say I want to send this broadcast to these 3 groups. These are my own family groups. Okay, so I click on this broadcast, and you can see there are 3 separate different broadcast campaigns that created for this broadcast. Okay, the current status is waiting. I can hover over this circle and I can see the status. So when the time comes, when the time is December 25th and 12 AM, whatever is time. So when the time reaches this, they will be activated and the system will start sending messages to these users. So alright guys, this was step 4, and this shows you how to set up your broadcast. And in the next video, we'll be setting up campaigns, the drip campaigns that are actually the heart of your marketing campaigns.